last time on 4 Sheets to the Wind, we raced the weather, sailing through the night to make it back to the mainland, had some fun in Copper Harbor, and nearly froze our butts off. Join us this time as we continue to make our push home, sailing as fast as the wind and the weather will let us, hoping to make it back to Sheboygan before winter. First, hi, for those of you that know us, you're probably like, what the heck is going on? I'm just gonna give you a little heads up. I'm really slow at making these videos. So the videos are actually from last year about this time. Just like a live update. We're just about getting ready to shove off. We've been doing like a ton of work. And we're getting ready to shove off and go through all the Great Lakes in the Erie Canal and south to the Caribbean. So it's pretty wild and crazy, but I'm trying to get the videos all caught up so that we're updated with kind of what we're doing somewhat live, but it's not my strong point. I'm very, very slow at them. So that's what's going on from our Superior trip last fall. I hope you're enjoying them. All right, see you soon.
What?
Said you're a crazy Looney Tune.
What do you mean?
Whenever you're ready, I'll come show you out. Just like a Jaina, birds in flight. Doesn't matter where you think we'll go, we'll soon be seeing Indigo.
Geared up to keep pushing down the coast to get off this lake by October 1st. And it's just a beautiful day out. Just a really, really gorgeous day for a sail. Really excited. How many hats?
Sailing Lake Superior, man. That's the problem.
How many hats do you have on?
I got 2 heads on. That's the wrong head.
Oh.
The problem with space heater, you get adjust it, and then you can't hack it on the big water.
Kyle bought me a space heater yesterday because our house was 48 degrees. I could see my breath. So when we're plugged in, we have a little refuge.
Wherever we go, remains to be seen. Sorry to leave you, sorry to be part of the process, part of its kind, making a move, traveling blind.
How fast are we going?
6.5.
Sail it. 3 sheets to the wind. Made it into Little Lake Harbor last night. And now they're calling frost advisory. And what did they say about beware of sensitive plants?
Sensitive plants are gonna die. 31 degrees with snow tonight. Mix of snow. It's time to go.
What about the sensitive sailors? Nobody cares about us. It's freaking cold, man.
there's not so much about it you could do. Out the window, skies, oh skies are falling. But the last thing you would want is something new.
You're going 7 knots.
Looks like a real looker later. To break up the ice. Oh, hello there, big ship.
It's cold.
Look at this. I'm so excited. Like hunker down in Whitefish Bay. Popcorn in a movie.
Sizzling's heard, shake it, it said.
Oh, okay. Don't screw it up. I like my little Bose space heater. Kyle finally got movies to download, so we actually have movies to watch.
I don't know why we just didn't bring our like collection of DVDs that would have lasted us the whole trip that we never watch at home. It would have been perfect for this because we're really just desperate for any sort of non-book entertainment.
Yikes. It's like weird
It's done.
Martian food. Huh.
They never work, but this one actually is perfect, I think.
Lonely on the way home, thinking I'm still down. My mind, I've got always for you. Lonely on the way home, thinking I'm still down. My mind, I've got always for you. By my side, you and I, cherish and kiss, you spread your lips. By my side, you and I, cherish and kiss, you spread your lips.
To go through the canal. I went through here like 5 weeks ago. I think I was wearing a bikini. Holy cow. We'll go through the canal. Go past to Lake Michigan. Technically. The St. Mary's River. Then Lake Michigan.
I've got always for you. Lonely on the way home. Thinking I'm still down. My mind, I've got always for you. By my side. You and I, cherish and kiss, you spread your lips. By my side, you and I, cherish and kiss, you spread your lips. I'm eating good song in your flower.
Had to come check out the locks from the other side. See what it's like to see the big ships come through. Whoa. Are you having major chain locker envy?
That's a nice one. Yeah.
How about windlass envy?
Oh, windlass.
at that cool boat.